Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do a highlights and for you guys. So I picked up these new highlights from the OPV cosmetic. I really like it. I picked this up from the bougie shop, and this is the packaging. It comes in with this really nice gold packaging, which I really like. This is 16 gram. At the back you have all the ingredients and all the information at the back, and which of course I really like. And this is the name of the highlighter, which I really like. I picked this up on sales on the bougie shop. I picked this up for €9. Normally it retails for, I don't know, 17 or something euros, but I picked it up on sales, so I decided to come and show you guys how this one look on me. First of all, what we're going to do a swatch. I'm gonna do like swatch for you guys, show you guys how this look on my skin tone, and this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful, really nice goldish highlighter. I have used this is not a first impression, this is just a demo. I have used this and I really like how it looks, so I'm gonna do swatches for you guys. You guys know I'm not good with swatches, so please excuse if it looks kind of cakey. But you guys can see how it looks like. It's very pigment. It's very beautiful. You guys can see it looks really nice, and I really like how it looks on me. You guys can see this is it all, like it's way too much on my skin. So I really like how it looks. So I use this and I really like it. So I want to come and do like demo slash review for you guys. So first, what I'm going to do, I've already done my face. If you guys want to know how I get this look, that video will be up very soon. I'm going to take this smart brush. I'm going to take this I'm going to highlight like the inner corner of my eyes, just so that my makeup look can stand out a little bit. You guys can see it's a really nice gold beautiful gold highlighter. I think this would be really nice as an eyeshadow. Like, if you guys don't know, I sometimes use my highlighters as eyeshadows. This is just something I do, and I really like it. So I'm gonna take this small brush and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. And you guys can see it is very pigment. But I also like the way it blends, like it does not look cakey. And I'm gonna take this side of the brush and just kind of like smooth it out like this. And you guys can see this eyebrow looks more awake, and this one still looks like it's still sleeping. I really like the OPV, the eyeshadow palette. The ones which are like inspired by the Nigerian goddess. And I was looking on YouTube, there was this Nigerian woman from the Yoruba tribe who was kind of telling the history about the Yemi, the blue palette. Kind of tell you about the history about the goddess in the on that palette that they featured. Kind of tell you a story about they used to tell them when she was little, about the, like, she was saying, if I'm not wrong, she was saying like the god kind of sent like different angels, like, I'm gonna put it that way, angels down to the planet. And this Yemi, or the other one, I don't know the name, sorry, she was the goddess of love. So she was the only like female goddess that God kind of sent down to the earth to kind of make help build the earth. And the male goddess, one of the male goddess, kind of make a comment like, we don't even need you, we do everything on our own. So she felt that was an insult, so she went away, sitting down in another planet, another somewhere, doing her face, making be beautiful, just be beautiful. And then as soon as she leave, everything start dying, like the leaves, no water, everything start dying, like the leaf, the water get dry. I'm gonna highlight my cheek. The water get dry, and everything start dying. So and people were like, what is happening? So the angels went up to God, and you guys can see how beautiful that is. The angels went up to God, and like they say, what you sent us to do downstairs, down on earth, it's not working. Everything is not working. And then God said, because you people, you are not complete. One of you is missing. And they were like, yeah, she left. We don't even need her. And then God said, yes, you do need her, because she is love. Water, plant, everything is love. It was really nice, very interesting story. I really like it, and if I find, I'll try to find it again. If I found it, I'll put the link in the description box. You guys really need to read that story. It is beautiful. It's just the same like the way I also used to get told when I was little about, if you're Sierra Leonean, we call the mermaid, like the mermaid, the one with a fish and half human half fish, we call them mamiwata. So if you're Sierra Leonean, I used to hear my mom used to tell me like, this mermaid has long beautiful hair, she have a special comb, and if you go to the river you find the comb of a mermaid and comb your hair is gonna be long. It's just a crazy story, but I really like that story when I was a little. So hearing this story from this Nigerian woman was really inspired. I'll try so hard to put the link down in the description box so you guys can go and check it out. I really like the story, and since then I have been watching different other stories about you know, about those goddess kind of thing, because I just like it. It's just fantasy. I really like it. So yeah, so it was really inspired. It was really nice. It was really cute. So I'll find the link and put it down. You guys really need to look at the video. Does not take that long, but it was so well said, and I really like it. So I've done highlighting my face. You guys can see I've been talking the whole time. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Revelation setting spray. This is the oil control setting spray. I'm gonna use to set my face. So this is the finished result with the highlighter. I really like, you guys can see the pigment is really beautiful. I really like this OPV highlighters, and the packaging is really nice. You get a full size, you get a mirror here, which I really like. You got the highlighter, and you also got like a sponge inside, which of course is really beautiful. The packaging is so nice. Yeah, and I hope you guys like this quick tutorial. I really like it. My skin is glowing. So if you guys want to see how I get this eyes, I'll put the link in the description box. Don't forget to check out that video. So I hope to see you guys very soon. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebook pagina. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more pictures. This is your girl Amy, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye. Doeg.